A lot of people these days are restless and heavy and they don't know what's happening. They get to believe that maybe it's a long day, maybe it's stress. But the thing is, they just disconnected from the ground beneath them. Let me take you somewhere for a minute. I want you to picture this with me. You walk outside, barefoot, the morning air is cool, the ground feels alive under your feet. For the first time all day, you're not in your head, you're here. Every step, the earth takes some of the weight you've been carrying. Every breath feels deeper, steadier, stronger even. And in that silence, something happens. The noise in your mind fades. The constant pressure loosens its grip, and you remember what calm feels like. This is grounding. Simple, ancient, powerful. The kind of peace no screen, no escape, no distraction can give you. Your body was made to connect to the earth. And sometimes the fastest way to heal isn't more thinking. It's actually quite the opposite. Your energy never lies. If you felt this, awaken with me. Like and subscribe for more.